to shout it out with glee. Whoopee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Hello. Oh, we gotta go slow. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I gotta go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has been
Hoping that you dropped in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like
But
mine.
we'll start to
Beautiful, what's your
my father
hurry?
will be pacing the floor.
Listen to that fireplace
So
roar.
really I'd better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't
Maybe
hurry.
just to have a drink.
I'll put some records on while I
The
pour.
neighbors might think,
Baby, it's bad out there.
say what's in this drink.
No cabs to be had out there.
I wish I knew how
Eyes are like starlights
to
out.
break this spell.
I'll take your hat. Your hair looks swell. Mine is like
You have to do a little scooter. There's your little candy cane thrown in there.
baby, don't hold out.
It's filming all of it. This is fun part 3.
Oh, I like this. Yes.
I like it when it surrounded me like that. Juggling the candy cane. That's funny.
Outside.
The answer is no.
But baby, it's cold outside.
The welcome is
How
big.
lucky that you dropped in.
Nice and warm.
Look out the window at the stars.
Will be
Gosh, your lips
suspicious.
look
My
delicious.
brother will be there at the door.
Waves are fine and tropical
My
shore.
maiden aunt's mind is
Gosh, your
vicious.
lips are
But maybe
delicious.
just a cigarette more.
Never such a blizzard before.
I gotta get home.
Baby, you freeze out there.
Say, lend me your coat.
It's up to your knees out there.
You've really been great.
I feel when I touch your
But
hand.
don't you see?
How can you do this thing to me?
Bound to be a talk
Think
tomorrow.
of my lifelong
At least
sorrow.
there'll be plenty to pay.
Got them on your
I
die.
really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold.
It's cold outside.
Okay, fine. Just another drink then.
Well, that took a lot of convincing.
Thanks for listening to I Heart Christmas.
I'm assuming I have to go this way. Yep, there's only one way through here. Oh, that's cool.
Hello? 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 Hello?
I bet you he can't hear us. We can't hear him. Because we're out here in the middle of...
Yep. He may try calling you, just so you know.
That's
I told
okay.
him my phone was out when I left because it had died. So I told him to call you if he needed to get a hold of me. So
Okay, yeah, he's got my number, so that's not a problem.
wise men. I'm glad they put that up.
I like it.
Wise still seek him. Yes, they do.
Christmas is chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I didn't see that peace sign before. It's pretty. I mean, you know, you see it, but you don't always register what you're seeing sometimes because you're, you know. So, yeah.
And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92.
Christmas trees making music.
Many times,
Isn't that
many
neat?
ways, Merry Christmas to you.
love this. I think that's so pretty.
The official soundtrack of the holiday season. I Heart Christmas on iHeartRadio.
Guess how many gingerbread men are in that jar? No.
Hang all the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better. Yeah. This Christmas, and as we trim the tree.
Moose Bear Band. It must be bear. Wonder how long it takes them to set this up, you know?
A good while. I have no doubt about that.
I'm glad they put the arrows in because I'd be going straight.
Break it down.
12 days of Christmas. So we got the partridge in a pear tree. I like the lake reflection out there with the moon. That's pretty.
It is gorgeous.
And here's her 5 golden rings. 4 calling birds. I don't see the 4 of them. I only see 1.
I didn't see the 3 French hens.
There was a hen back there, and then there was a bird right there. So I'm assuming they just put 1 of each.
Isn't that
'cause-
water beautiful?
Yes. Six geese a laying. Seven swans a swimming. 8 maids of milking.
This is iHeart Christmas, an iHeartRadio original station.
9 ladies dancing.
Lords of leaping. Lords that are leaping.
Yep.
Radio app for all your music, radio, and podcasts. Free never sounded so good.
And we're coming up to a bump here.
Ten lords a leaping.
And 11 pipers piping. And 12 drummers drumming. Now we have finished and completed the 12 days of Christmas. And now we have the dinosaur band. Or lizard band. The lizard band along with the Mammoth.
It says NIL. I have no idea what that is.
I have no idea either. We'll have to go look it up just so we don't feel stupid. I got a Triceratops, and then we got a saber-tooth, and we got the woolly mammoths, and a, what you call them, long necks, and some pine trees. Yay! I like that. Santa Claus is taking some waves there. Surfing claws. They had to do that because they're in a lake, you know. Oh, he's fishing too. Got himself a whale. Santa Claus running after the vehicle. Come back, reindeer. Rudolph is like, bye, Claus. See you later. To another bump here.
They used to have so much more than this.
I know. Or maybe they had just the same amount. It's just that it's spread out more, maybe.
Could be. I don't know.
I like that. The Budweiser ones. Love the horses. Go in there and you have that thing to go shop.
Hot
Or
chocolate
maybe it's up here further.
Oh, I like this part.
Too.
This is I Heart Christmas on iHeartRadio.
Okay, so maybe it was right here. Do you want to go in?
Oh yes, let's go in.
Okay. Alright. If I can find a parking spot. And there's a handy one.
It's recording now.
We are now leaving Santa's village. After walking up a hill to get in the car. I guess that's for parking. We're going down the parking. You know what? There's nobody behind us. We don't want to go to parking because we just got out.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I like the blue bonnet. That's nice. The halls with balls of holly. Happy holiday. New old-fashioned way. Christmas tree, happy holiday. New old-fashioned way.
This is iHeart Christmas on iHeartRadio.
I'm sorry, if I'm going to spend $20, I'm going to take my time.
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
If you want to zip through here, you just have to pass me. Oh,
And they did.
More power to them.
Woohoo!
I just figured it would be easier to film without having.
Yeah.
The Christmas row.
Yes, me too. Isn't that nice?
like it's going along with the music.
Oh, that's cool. So cool.
Coming at us now. Ah, duck, hide. No.
I think this is the end of it.
I do too. But what a way to end it. All these pretty little Christmas trees. Enjoying it. And Frosty the Snowman at the end. If it is the end. We'll know in a minute, won't we?
Yeah, he's tipping his hat, ma'am.
That would be fun to go in the snow. You know what?
Oh, wow. Look at this.
Yes.
I like this.
Me too. Yeah, we're at the end, it looks like. They don't close until 11. We should wait the whole 4 minutes. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. December 26th, payday. Mrs. Claus saying goodbye. Santa Claus holding on to the toys. And the last bit of the Christmas trees.